Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Drawing Science Club. I'm your host, Brenda, and today we're going to be learning about capillary action. So, the question of today is, how do plants pull water up from the ground to get water? In this experiment, we're going to learn how that happens, and you can actually see it happen before your eyes. This is what you're going to need. You can get some pieces of lettuce or celery if you want to do celery. You'll need a couple of jars, some food coloring. I chose blue and red because those are the most visible, and some water. Let's get started. Fill your jar with water. You'll want to fill them up probably at least halfway. Now dye your water. You want to make the dye pretty intense so that you can see the color as it moves up. Now, see this open part on the lettuce? That's where the water is going to seep up. So put your lettuce inside your jar. Now we wait for a couple of days and watch as the liquid moves up into the outer portion of the leaves. Alright, it's been a week and here are our lettuce leaves. You can see that the blue has moved up to the top of this one. And the red is also moved up inside, but it's not as pronounced as the blue. So if you're just going to do one color, I recommend blue. You can see the red that's creeped up through the spine of this one, but it's not as visible as the blue. And that's just how capillary action works. In this experiment, you put leaves of romaine or celery into jars of colored water. Over the next few days, the color from the water soaked up into the lettuce and changed it a different color. Why did it do this? Plants use what's called capillary action to draw water up from the roots to reach the leaves so that they have enough water to survive. When this happens, the dye is also moved along up with the water, so you can actually see this process in action. That's it for today. See you next time.